Got my life vest on. Ready, locked and loaded. Got my phone in a secure case. Stay tuned. Just have to do a little paperwork so I can pay afterwards. So, yeah.
So you know how to do kayak?
I've done it like 3-4 times before.
Okay. Hey. So you sit there.
Okay. All right.
Good.
Yeah.
Pedal. Let's go.
Those are some nice ass houses over there. Shit. Oh, that sun feels so good. Such a beautiful day. Oh shit, I think that was blocking. I'm probably gonna record all this, but try to get as much as I can. It's only got one battery. I left the other battery. Now, other way. I don't need these damn flip-flops. If I lose them, they float anyway, so. This life vest gonna keep getting in the goddamn way. There's nowhere I can attach it on here. Man, this is beautiful. I'm happy I did this. It's really nice. Thank God I brought my sunglasses. Alright, throw these damn sandals away. These motherfuckers stink.
Photo.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, one more. Okay.
That's yours.
I'm June.
June?
You can call me with the name Zom.
Zoom.
You can call me June.
Okay. That's easy to remember.
So long you stay in Dallas?
I have 3 more days.
3 more days.
Yeah, I've been here for 3 days already.
You have today is the 12th?
Yeah. I came the 19th
19.
and I leave on the 25th.
Ah.
You're from Deloitte?
No, I'm from Hanoi.
Hanoi? Oh, I want to go there next.
No, I work here.
Oh, you just work here?
Yeah, but I'm not from Dallas.
Oh.
From Hanoi.
But you live here full time or you go back? You go back home?
Yeah. I just work here. Maybe 3 or 4 months more.
Oh, and then go back?
I go to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh.
Go back.
You like Saigon?
If I want to go back, I need to go more city and work there.
Oh.
And then I will go back when I am.
Do you do kayaking there too, or
Yeah.
do you do the same thing? No. The water's not as clean.
And because in there it's not too tourists.
Yeah, not too many.
Yeah. in Mekong Delta, not too many
Yeah.
people they go there.
Because it's a long drive. It's a
Yeah.
long drive from Ho Chi Minh.
Yes. And like I always ask my customer like where they go, where they will go, so they always told me like they go Ho Chi Minh City to Dalat and then go to the north, or maybe
Yeah.
to the north to Ho Chi Minh City, and they just
Then
fly
straight
back.
to the north, yeah.
Not go to Mekong Delta. There's not too tourists. So you like hiking? Did you go hiking in Dalat?
No.
Mountain. You have motorbike, right?
Yeah, a motorbike.
Okay, so maybe if you like, don't know you will do tomorrow, I think you can go to hiking Lam Yang Mountain. It's
How
just,
far?
in the morning. It's 12 kilometers.
30?
12.
Oh.
Just like 6 to go up and 6 to go down.
Oh, okay. So it's not far at all.
Yeah. And you can go maybe like you start from 8 a.m. and you can finish if you like I see and I think you're strong, so you can finish it at maybe just 10 or 11
AM?
a.m.
Oh, that's not bad. Like 2-3 hours.
Because I see like a lot of people they go hiking Lam Yang
And finish.
Dalat.
hmm
We have many activities for you can do.
I've seen, yeah.
It's tour. It's a tour.
A lot of tours.
It's very popular in Dalat. Maybe you heard is canyoning.
No, I haven't heard of that one.
Like you will abseiling that
Oh.
with the waterfall.
I heard of the waterfall, yeah. I've seen that, yeah. Like zip line.
Yes.
Zip lining, yeah.
Zipline, roller coaster,
Yeah.
and canyoning.
I've seen the roller coaster you go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's near here. Did you go to this waterfall?
No, not yet. I was gonna go yesterday, but I went to Sam Tien Temple instead.
You can go there too. That it's really near here.
Not far.
No.
Which one? Is it called Elephant Falls or?
Elephant?
Yeah.
Elephant is very far.
I was very far.
Yeah. It's like on the way you go to the airport.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's far from Dalat around 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how far Sam Tien Temple are hills. It was like a 1-hour drive.
Yeah. Because you know Samson Hill is not in Dalat.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah, it's in Lakzung. Like
It's like on the border.
Lakzung is near Dalat.
Yeah, on the border.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dalat is really a small city.
Yeah, I figured.
And I think today you will have raincoat.
No.
No, I think you can buy one raincoat in a grocery.
Okay.
A small grocery.
It's gonna rain?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Just maybe. We cannot guess the
The
weather.
weather, yeah. You can try, but
But like we need to have one raincoat.
at all times.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
sometimes like you see in the morning it's really
Yeah.
sunny.
like this morning, it was like kind of cloudy.
Yeah, but like in the afternoon it's heavy big rain.
Wow. Does it rain all year?
No,
No.
not really yet.
Just right now?
Yeah, and this time it's a dry season in Dalat,
Wow.
and like actually in January and February is the best time to go travel in Dalat. Because
Okay.
It's not rain.
So I chose the right time. And when's the rainy season?
With rainy season is in start from April.
April
Yeah.
to December.
November.
Oh wow, that's long.
But like in April, May, it's not rain a lot.
Just on and off.
Just like in the mid, it will have rain in the midday, but
Oh.
just 30 minutes or 1 hour.
And then it's over.
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
That's not bad.
Yeah, but in June, July, and August, it's rain.
All day.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a lot of storms out here?
Storm?
Yeah.
No.
No.
In here we not. But in the middle of Vietnam, we have like Da Nang. It's have a lot of storm in summer.
Like typhoons or?
Yeah.
That's.
And you know, like last year in the north we have a Yagi typhoon.
What's that?
It's a typhoon.
The big one?
Yeah, big one. In the north.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yeah.
It was on the border of like with China
Yes.
and Vietnam. I've heard about that. Yeah.
Right.
Cause I was supposed to come last year, and then I see now I was like, no, I'm gonna wait.
And you know, like Dalat is affected by storm. So at that time, like Dalat is rain all day, all week.
Oh wow.
We cannot do anything.
Because of the storm was coming down. During the morning, but I was like, it's gonna be too cold.
Yeah, it's cold, but not too cold. It still have sunny, and like you see, the weather is not too wind. Yeah, not too wind, not too sunny.
So 5 a.m. was the best one to do, you think, for here?
Yes,
5
it's
a.m.?
cold.
Yeah, I figure it was cold.
Yeah, it's really cold. 5 a.m. is really cold, but like sometimes if it's too cold, like on this lake we'll have a fog surrounding the surface lake.
Really?
Yes.
The frogs
like,
they jump on?
Yeah, it's like a wonderland.
Wow.
Yeah, and sometimes,
That's nice. That's cool.
Yeah, and maybe you heard about cloud hunting.
Yeah, that's what I did yesterday, cloud hunting.
Yeah.
Yeah, Quadat Village or Kudat Village.
Yeah, and
It was nice. It was very beautiful.
yeah, and in this lake, it's really I can see cloud like in water. You see around here have a small island.
Yeah.
And it's a mountain. And I just see it's maybe.
It's a lot of fog on the lake.
Yeah, a lot of fog with the cloud.
That's nice.
Yeah, with the cloud.
And just kayaking through the clouds and.
Yeah. But it's rarely to see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like if you have enough lucky, you can see it.
Once in your life, huh?
Yeah. Because with me, like I go 5 a.m. like many times, and I just see 2 or 3 times. I can see clouds and fog at 5 a.m.
Because it's not as high.
Yeah. And we have one more to see two hunting cloud like checking with that mountain.
On that mountain?
Yeah. We go this Pin Hap mountain.
Pin Hap?
Yeah.
You gotta drive up there or you gotta hike?
You hike.
Hike.
Not drive. If you want to try to go there, you need to tell with the manager.
Oh.
Yeah. Because that mountain in the past, it's like they want to build a resort on the top of the mountain. But I don't know, like now I don't know why, but they not build it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's have the road to go.
Oh, they built the road, but not the.
Yeah. But now like it's banned. You cannot go. Yeah.
Yeah. What kind?
Trekking and canyoning
Oh, trekking, a lot of.
and canyoning.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely. I will show you about canyoning later.
Okay.
Maybe you will like it.
Okay.
It's really popular with
Yeah.
foreigners.
Yeah.
Like because I see about foreigners. They very like to do activity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and very like challenge. So it's a popular tour for them.
Oh.
And I think with you also.
What up, world? So much more beautiful in person. Me and my buddy June. Yeah. So tranquil out here. Ain't too many people. Arms get tired though. There's a little current, so it's not as bad. Gotta take a little wet rest break. Man, I wonder if my damn voice can come back. Should have went to an ENT doctor out here. Or Ho Chi Minh. I'm sure it's pretty cheap. Okay. So peaceful. Are there fish?
Yeah.
What kind?
Fish, big fish.
What kind of fish?
I don't remember the name. Like the fish you
like trout?
Eat at the restaurant.
Tilapia?
Yes.
Tilapia. No alligators, huh?
No alligator. Just crocodile.
Oh, crocodile. Yeah, right.
No alligator. Just only fish.
Take me back. Take me back. I'm playing. Should have got the head strap. Tell myself one needed. Should get the head strap, the motorbike mount. Especially for yesterday. We had some better footage. The backpack strap's pretty good. Cruising on a Sunday afternoon, feeling that I couldn't get away too soon. I forgot the rest of the lyrics, 'cause if I don't have the beat, I don't remember. But cruising on a Sunday afternoon. I'm a black guy in Vietnam. Of course we do stuff like this. No, all of us are afraid of water. All right, let me turn this off.
My house, my
She'll
flow.
buy it for you.
Yeah.
What?
Like.
Where's this at? I'm like, what part of Vietnam is this in?
The ethnic minority people.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that more in the north or just everywhere?
It's more than in the south.
More in the south?
Yeah, in the north, it's for the men.
More. Oh.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And like in the north, we have like opposite culture. Like in here, it's woman choose man, but like in some ethnic group in the north, it's like the man choose woman.
Yeah.
Like so, they will go to catch. Like we will have, you know, Lunar New Year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like in Lunar New Year, we have celebrity, and then like we will have market. We sell like everything. So this will have many boy and girls go there. So the boy will choose girl to catch the
At the Lunar New Year.
Yeah, to catch the go home.
Wow.
Catch, not like choose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like they throw something and
Yeah.
and then you marry that person.
Right.
Wow.
They still young. It's just 16 or 17.
Oh.
Yeah, still young.
So they can't marry right away then, huh?
Yeah, like it's with some city in the mountain of the north.
Oh, they allow it?
Yeah. But now it's not.
No more.
Now it's have the government. Because in the past, like the government not have a rule for this.
Yeah, but now they have a rule.
Yeah, now they have a rule. Because you know, the economic in the mountain, they not like in the city.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are not rich, not have money.
A lot of money.
A lot money.
Yeah.
But like they have many son and daughters.
Yeah.
So
that's
why.
the economy.
Yeah.
They sell their daughters and sons.
And the economic like cannot improve more than city.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a village with the city. So we need to have a rule.
And do they marry outside of the village too, or just only in each village they
No,
marry?
you can marry.
Oh, multiple?
But you know, it's a long time ago. We have a rule, like just a village rule, not like country rule. Village rule, like you must marry with the
In the community.
people, live with the same village, not different village.
Yeah.
But now it's not. Now
Change.
Now
Yeah, 'cause
you
you-
can,
you don't-
marry
you-
with like who you love. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to marry your cousin, huh?
No. Oh, not that.
That's how it is like in America and like the South. People stay in the same community, so they marry their cousins and all types of stuff. Yeah, it's crazy.
In Vietnam, like we hate that and not
It happens.
it
Yeah.
still happen, but just less.
Yeah.
And like it's not have on the news or something, and we cannot see that. But
Yeah.
I think it's happen.
It's just quiet.
Yeah, quiet. Because like if you public that information for people,
You go to
know
jail,
it.
huh?
Yeah, it's really terrible.
Yeah.
You can see over there, it's a cherry blossom flower.
Oh, I heard about those.
Yeah.
That's nice. I went to Japan to see cherry blossoms, but they didn't come yet. So I know you guys had cherry blossoms too.
Like if you go around the lake, in center, you will.
That's a good picture. Okay.
House and flower.
Beautiful flowers. I still can't catch him. I'm trying to catch him. Can't catch him. Santa Lot got a lot of different names. The city of flowers, 1,000 flowers. The city of sadness when it rains. And people come here when they break up to just be in the rain and go to the coffee shop. White House?
White House.
Your house? You wish, huh?
Okay, in here is a tourist area. We call it
Right here?
Bảo Đại waterfall.
Oh.
But you cannot see waterfall because it's over there.
Oh.
Not here.
So you gotta go that way or?
No, that way. But it's like now I see it's not look like waterfall because it's just in the past. It looks like a waterfall.
Not no more.
Yeah. Now it's not happening. And
Emperor?
yeah.
Just for him?
Just
No,
for him.
nobody else.
Nobody.
Wow. Probably empty right now.
Because like you know, in Vietnam, Bảo Đại is the name of the last emperor in Vietnam.
Yeah.
So if you go around Dallas City, you can see or you can heard about like Bảo Đại Palace 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, I have heard. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, there is for him.
Wow.
And they have a pet. One
Dalmatian. 101 Dalmatian. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen that up there. And they built a statue just for the dog? That's crazy. Wow.
Yes, just for him.
Just
Not for anybody.
wow. That's a really big house.
Yeah. Like Bảo Đại Palace 1, 2, 3 is like it's a place for he work and live with the family.
Oh.
And in here is for him
Just to play.
for holiday, for relax.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So maybe like 2-3 times a year.
And you know, this lake it's not have crocodile and alligator because this lake is not from natural.
Oh, it's man-made.
Yes.
Yeah.
But like it's like natural 60 or 70% and man-made just a little.
Some. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we just build the dam.
Oh,
That's
made it bigger.
Yeah, build a bigger dam. To make this lake. Because in here, in the past, it's a valley.
But
It's a valley around here.
oh, valley. So it's in.
Yeah. So like to build the dam and like the original is the stream,
Uh-huh.
the stream, small stream. So we have the water in there, and we have rain, a lot of rain.
And so it wouldn't flood you guys.
Yeah. And you know, they made this lake because like the not the emperor made this lake.
Oh,
Not
before
these people made this lake.
the French.
French. They made this lake because they need the water resources for Dallas City.
Mm.
In the past, they when French come to Dallas, they want to make Dallas become a holiday city.
Oh shit.
Became a holiday city, so they build like a lot of house, shop, school in here.
Oh. Were they the ones to do the flowers too, or the flowers were already here?
Like with the flower, like when friends come here, they like it's the first person find Dallas. He's a doctor from Paris.
Oh.
Yeah, and like when friends come here, when he explore this land, so people in Vietnam see that, and then they decide to move, like from the other city to here, like in the south, in the north.
Oh, so he brought more people.
They move here, and then they plant vegetable, flower.
Oh,
Because in here they see the weather in here is
it's
great
really nice. Yeah.
and it's suitable for flower and vegetable. And you know, like the job in the past in Dallas for people is a farmer.
Oh, a lot of farmers. Yeah.
A lot of farm.
I seen when I drove around.
Yeah,
Farmers everywhere.
everywhere farm, have farm. So, and we have a flower village. Yeah, and then we have a lot of flower here.
I think I seen that on Kluk, the flower village.
Yeah, Dallas, like local people.
Yeah, it's more people from other parts of Vietnam.
It's people from other Vietnam. They just live here a long time.
Multiple generations.
Yeah, with the local people, it's just ethnic people.
Are they like the darker ones?
Yeah, and like we call them Đạ Lạch.
That luck.
No, Đạ Lạch.
That like.
Yeah, Đạ Lạch. Đạ is mean water, lake, river, stream.
Oh,
Everything related to water.
water people.
Yeah, and Lạch is the name for people.
Oh, the lock. That
Lạch
luck.
is the name for people.
Water people.
Yeah, Đạ Lạch. They small group. They in the past they lived around the lake in the center.
Oh.
Yeah, and when friends come here, I don't know, but I heard about like they selling it for them. They sell the play for them, for friends.
Oh.
Yeah, and they move to here. They moved to here, Felipe. Moved to here and near Datala.
By the water.
Yes, because the water. Everywhere have water.
Water, yeah,
where
that's
we
true.
live there. Because like
It's more beautiful.
yeah, it's beautiful and like it's very convenient. Because like they need to plant.
Plant, yeah.
Yeah, plant.
And the flowers
and,
need a lot of water.
Yeah, and they need to live in jungle because they need to go hunting. Because in the past we go hunting to live.
Like, what do you guys have to hunt?
Like just pick
Pigs?
pigs.
Oh, there's wild pigs? Like boars?
Yeah,
Wild boars.
right.
But no deer?
Yeah, just a leg.
Mm.
And now in here it's not have
Nothing?
nothing.
They killed it all?
Because in here it's just have snake
Oh,
and bird.
poison snake or?
Poison snake.
Oh, hell.
Like almost city in Vietnam, maybe all Vietnam. Our culture is like the woman is very important. So everything we have
Revolves around
is related to
grandma, mom.
right, grandma, mom.
They're more important than the man.
Right. And that's why you can see a lot of food from the other city in Đà Lạt, like bún bò Huế, bún chả Hà Nội.
What's that? What's that?
It's noodle.
The noodle. Oh, I had noodle yesterday.
Yeah.
It has like the egg, and then he had pork,
Yeah.
and then the meatball.
About noodle, we have phở.
Phở, you have
Bún chả.
bún chả.
Bún bò Huế. Bún bò Huế is from Huế.
No.
Bún chả is from Hà Nội.
Oh, okay.
And bún đậu mắm tôm.
Where's that one from?
Hà Nội.
Oh, Illinois.
Yeah. It's like you will have noodle, tofu, spring roll, pig,
Oh.
stomach pig,
Intestine.
and you will eat on that with shrimp sauce. Yeah, but shrimp sauce is like the smell.
Strong.
Yeah, strong.
I'm saying that sounds good though. Spring roll.
Yeah.
Except for the pig stomach.
I think you can try about
What's your favorite food in Đà Lạt?
in Đà Lạt. Cơm tấm.
Cơm tấm.
Yeah.
That's like the pork.
Yeah.
Like the
you have rice.
rice.
And then like they have a grilled pork.
Grilled pork, yeah.
Yeah.
I had some of that. It was good.
Yeah, grilled pork
And then like some vegetables.
Yeah, vegetable and like you will eat that with fish sauce. But fish sauce is like they mix it with the sugar. And it will have
it's real sweet.
Yeah, the taste will a little sweet. Yeah. It's nice to eat.
Yeah, I like that. That's one of my favorites I had.
But you know,
and then they have like the little meatloaf.
Yeah.
The little pork meatloaf thing too is really good.
Cơm tấm is from the south.
Oh, from like Ho Chi Minh? Or?
Like Ho Chi Minh, Asian food is very famous in Sapa.
Oh, Sapa Valley.
And in Đà Lạt.
Oh. They're the big fish too, huh?
It have some big, but it have some small.
Oh, small.
Yeah.
And you eat the eggs too from the sturgeon? No.
Because I afraid the fish. I lazy.
Yeah, you lazy? You don't like to clean?
So I lazy. I just eat meat. And you know, in Sapa, we have one more food like that. Not too much people can eat. It's
the durian?
No, durian. Durian, like, I see a lot of people
That's
can eat.
nasty, no.
Yeah. We call this tango.
Tango?
Yeah, tango. It mean horse's stomach.
Horse intestine.
Horse, like horses. Yeah, and stomach. But inside stomach, they clean stomach, but they still keep poop inside. Yeah. Yeah, and then they cook it. They boil.
That's what black people do in America too. We call it chitlins.
Chitlin. Oh.
But they clean the intestines out first. And then people eat it. But I don't like it. It's strong. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really strong.
They keep clean all the poop and stuff out.
No, not clean. coffee.
Do you keep it in?
Keep it in.
No.
Yeah, so it should have a
No. A little bit of flavor,
huh? I see like not too many people can eat that, but
Yeah.
it's a local food in Sapa.
Yeah, stay away from that.
Uh,
You said what's the name of it?
Tango.
Tango.
Yeah.
So don't eat no tango. I'm going backwards. That's where he at, way up there. And my ass back here. A lot easier going with the current on the way here. I did lay back for a second though. Oh shit. That ain't no damn excuse. He way up there. Nice tour, very informative. You guys didn't hear him earlier, but he specialized in tourism. When he went to university, he literally got to travel for 4 years, pretty much all around a lot and some other parts of Vietnam. I feel like tourism is going to be a good industry, especially when AI take over, because I don't think AI is going to completely take over tourism. Because you kind of want somebody that's local. You want somebody that been there, grew up there, or trained there to actually give you the information. It's different when you just get that information from a, AI generated bot that, anybody generate that they live there, but it's different. I'm actually living there and being an actual person. That's why tourism business probably gonna be, a really big industry in the future. Look, I'm just over there chilling. Just make it look so goddamn easy. My boat's bigger though. That's what I'm gonna blame. That's my excuse. And that's what he was saying too, like the delights of the city of 1,000 flowers, romance city, depressed city, or sad city. And there's another one too. Cloud city or fog city. Definitely a nice tour. Got a little workout in, which I really did need, because the pool at my hotel ain't operational and they ain't got no gym. That's one thing I should have done, make sure I checked this in the gym, because I didn't even stay in the gym. Especially after I hurt my damn leg the other day.
Feel high. Like you feel high like when the time you smoke it. It's not high like weed, but it's like a bog.
Oh.
We call this bamboo smoke.
It's like a plant?
Yeah.
Like a plant?
Yeah. It's legal in Vietnam.
Oh, to smoke it?
Yeah, smoke it. Because like a lot of people smoke it. Like older people, young people.
Yeah, everybody.
Everybody.
Is it kind of like a hookah?
Yeah.
Like hookah?
It's a tobacco, and we smoke with the bamboo.
Oh,
Bamboo.
and hit it, yeah.
It's like
A lot of smoke.
Yeah, a lot of smoke.
I want to try that.
If but in the south.
More in the south?
Not a lot people use it in the south.
More in the north?
Yeah, more than
Like Hanoi?
Hanoi. Like if you go to Hanoi, you just walking around.
Everybody.
You see a lot of like seller, small seller. They sell about like iced tea. Just $5,000.
Oh.
Iced tea and like with some sweet drink.
They'll give you.
And you see they sell it on the sidewalk. They sell it on the sidewalk, and it will have a lot of people sitting there.
Just smoking.
Smoking,
Drinking.
Yeah. It's a play for people. They can go there to talking.
Yeah.
It's like a coffee shop.
Social. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a coffee shop, but it's cheaper than coffee shop.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because normally with the coffee, you need to buy coffee with the price around 25 or 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, but with the tea,
5,000 not.
yeah, 5,000.
Yeah. You can buy 5.
Yeah. And in the north, we like drink tea.
Tea more than coffee.
No, it's same.
Oh.
Yeah. So sometimes they will drink coffee and sometimes
tea.
Drink tea.
Like oolong tea or jasmine.
No, oolong tea and jasmine is like just for some drink at the coffee shop.
Yeah.
It's just a tea.
Oh.
Not oolong.
Just regular.
Yeah.
Should have recorded this whole time. I was trying to catch up. I was way back there. Sometimes in life, you gotta paddle so hard to keep up with people, and other people just don't gotta paddle hard at all. But it usually comes with skill. Usually comes because they put so much effort in. They might not look like they paddle hard, but they're using wisdom, they're using experience from life. Whether they thinking about it consciously or unconsciously. Eagle?
Yeah, it's hard to see, but I see he stand there. Maybe if your camera can zoom, you can zoom in the like highest tree.
The highest tree right there?
Yeah. With my eye, I not see, but I see him fly and stand there. We need to bike. Here.
I should have brought my binoculars.
It's flew.
It flew away.
Yeah, it's flew away. In this lake we have a couple eagle.
What's that, bald?
Yeah.
Bald eagle?
In the evening, I see them.
They fish?
Go to hunting.
Yeah.
But now it's hard to see.
Still recording.
just a cheap ticket.
For,
But if I remember, it's free.
okay.
Yeah, and
It's a Buddhist temple, huh?
yeah, maybe it's because it's near here. And
Okay.
near Datala, so like you can go to
It's
temple
quick.
first and then go to Datala.
Okay.
Because you have a motorbike, so you
Yeah.
can, like
I can get
it's
around.
very convenient,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it is. I was scared at first, but it's not that bad.
Yeah, and like
You don't see too many tourists riding motorbikes.
yeah. So if you go travel, you can ride motorbike, so
Uh-huh.
it's very convenient. You
It's
don't
cheap,
need to
real
book
cheap
a
too.
Taxi,
Yeah.
yeah. No need to book taxi
Or Grab, yeah.
No need to wait there.
Just go.
Yeah.
And it was only like 70,000 to fill up the gas tank, so it's pretty cheap.
Rent motorbike in Dalat is very cheap.
Yeah. And it's not as intense as Ho Chi Minh because it's less people.
Yeah. And over there, sometimes I see some couple. They go there to take a wedding photo
Oh,
with the lake view.
that's nice. How deep is the lake?
Yeah.
How deep?
How deep? It's around 10 to 20 meters.
Oh, that's not bad.
And far away, it's around 30.
30?
Yeah. But I think like 3 meter or 10 meter is same.
No difference, yeah.
Because we cannot
Touch.
touch.
Can't touch the bottom.
Yeah, touch the bottom.
If you can't swim, you're dead.
Yeah. But you can swim here.
Yeah. Oh, you can't swim?
Yeah, in here you can swim. But like
The water's not too cold either.
like you need to go there to swim.
By the
Here.
oh,
Here it's like a lot
Boats.
of people can see.
yeah.
Yeah. So we not swim.
More
here.
over there.
Yeah. We need to hide.
Yeah.
Swim here is not not in this season.
Oh,
Yeah. It's in maybe
like
in,
June.
April,
June.
Yeah. It's hot.
Yeah.
Like, it's hot and it's not too wind.
You can cool off.
Yeah, not too cold, not too wind. So like you can swim, and when you go up, you're not too cold.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. But it's just in the morning.
To swim?
Yeah. In the afternoon, maybe you will feel a little cold
Oh.
because it have wind.
Oh.
You know, normally in Dalat, they say we have 4 seasons in a day in Dalat.
Hot, cold,
Yeah.
rainy.
Right, like in early morning,
Uh-huh.
spring.
The spring, yeah.
In the early morning, and in the morning it's summer. In middle day it's autumn, and in the evening it's
Winter.
winter.
Because it's cold, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was surprised how cold it gets out here.
but like in Dalat you can feel it's not too cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold but not too cold.
You need a jacket, but you don't need like a huge, big jacket, so.
Yeah.
Or thermos.
Like if you have a jacket or like a wind jacket.
Uh-huh, windbreaker.
Yeah, like you feel not cold because like Dalat's cold because of the wind.
Yeah, the wind
Yeah.
blows.
It's not like the wind in the north.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the north it's really cold.
Does it snow?
It's not have snow.
Oh.
We don't have snow, but we like in Sapa or in Hajang,
Uh-huh.
I seen.
So we made it back all in one piece. It was hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Right time. Again, super cloudy. and super windy. I'm about to enjoy some cookies and hot chocolate. Don't look at my feet. Well, that's hot.
Like Dallas is a travel city, so I have heard about Dallas. We have more than 5,000 hotels
Wow.
in Dallas. It's a small city.
It's not that big.
Yeah, it will have like it's include a resort, villa, 5-star, 4-star,
It's small.
small hostel, homestay, like everywhere. And you know the
Yeah,
job,
just next by my hotel, it's like probably 10 hotels on that one street.
yeah. Like
These are good.
in the past, in here people do farm,
No
and
farm.
now
It's more tourism.
yeah.
Tourism business.
And the job in here is receptionist,
Yeah.
but the salary is very low.
Oh.
Yeah, not too high. Just around 5 to 7 million Vietnam dong
A
in
month?
a month.
Wow.
And like you need to pay for rent a house, pay for
Food,
for coffee,
a little fun,
yeah. So maybe you spend
everything. You make 7, you spend 699.
it's really because it's really low.
Mm-hmm.
And like people they always say Dallas is the best place for living, but
No.
you need some more money.
You gotta make money.
Yeah. Like you need to
And do you work for the company or?
Yeah.
You work for the company?
Yeah, I work for company, but my job is not receptionist, so I can make more.
Make more. That's good.
It depends on your on my tour. Like if I go like many tour, I make
3 a
lot of
day.
money.
Mhm.
If I go
And you get break
less,
in the day too, so.
Yeah.
You get a break throughout the day?
No, I just go because I still young.
No.
So I
Just
think
go all
I
day.
can, yeah. Just a few days I feel like I'm not well, so I will
Work harder.
yeah.
It's like, I need more money.
Yeah. More money, more knowledge. You need to study English more
Yeah.
to become like the tour guide I told you.
Oh.
The city tour guide.
Yeah, Ho Chi Minh. Yeah.
Need to learn more English because I regret because I not study English when I
Was in
was
school.
study in high school.
You speak pretty good English though,
Thank you.
compared to some people.
Thank you. Because like we study English when we learn English when we study at in a primary school.
Yeah.
Yeah, like primary, secondary, high school, we still study.
But you didn't take it
for
serious? You didn't take it serious?
just a little.
Just a little, not enough.
No.
He was like, I'll never need that.
Yeah, right.
That's what I used to
We
say
just
too.
need that for the exam.
I don't need that.
Yeah. So now I regret about it. So and I decided to go to
He's like-
learn English more because like my job I can talk to many people
Yeah.
by English.
I'm everywhere too.
Yeah, I can improve it, and I go to class to learn more English, learn more about grammar, then I can talk more story.
It's like in school you go to or online?
No, it's like a small class.
Oh,
Yeah, I go there.
that's good.
Yeah, I like offline than online.
You pay?
Yeah, I pay.
Okay.
It's cheap
Oh,
because I just study English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I graduate.
Oh, you graduated college already.
Yeah, and now I just go to class to study.
That's good.
It's cheap. Yeah. Okay, I send you a